What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Weekend will be here soon. If you are new here, my name is LashawnTerry. Come in, have a seat, look around. Hope you like what you see. Click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and that notification bell so you'll know my lazy behind upload next. Anywho, as you can see, I have a package here, and it's a shoe. So let's get into what we got. So as you can see here, what that say? Off-white, a Nike off-white. Y'all know I love off-white. I have some of Virgil's sneakers from his brand, and I got a few pairs from his night collabs. I was talking to my girl Mill Stepper, and I was telling her I wanted these. I was gonna have to go reach back and do resale, and she said, you ain't got to do that. I know you can get them from, they still got them for retail. And I said, word? She said, yeah. But even on resale, they are not going much over retail. There's very little resale value on these, which I like because then I don't have to pay no whole bunch of money. And so she told me about Canary Yellow. Never heard of them before. This is my first time ordering from them. Their website is a little bit crazy to navigate, but they still had look like a full size run on these. There's the total for these are $185, and then they charge $20 shipping for you post not post office but UPS 2 day is UPS 2 day shipping for $20. So I paid about $204 or something like that. So let's get into this and open it up. I have not opened this yet. So y'all are looking at these for the first time with me. Oh my gosh, look at the box. The box is kind of big. So this is what it says when you open up the box. The paper. And these are, let me just close it back. So these are the Air Force One mid. I ain't had an Air Force One. Ooh, gosh. It's been over 10 plus years, 15 years since I had a Air Force anything. But I do know sometimes Virgil stuff just runs. His shoes run really wacky. I know my off-whites, um, Vapor Max is an 8.5, and I do really well with an 8.5 with him. And so hopefully these don't be too big, but we'll see. Okay, so I got my little setup going here. So this is the paper. It says Off-White, year 1982. And they ship these out right away. I ordered these, I believe, Monday or Sunday night. And they came today. Like, literally just came. So these are them are these. Let's take out the other one, and I love these. Oh my gosh. Now, Mill said these were heavy to her, and I have some heavy shoes. I mean, they may have a little bit of weight to them, but they got tissue paper and stuff in them, so. But yeah, when I saw my girl Erica with these, my sis. I was like, what in the world is them? Because I need them. All I saw was the off-white. I was like, I am so far removed from sneaker releases, y'all. It's not even funny. But yeah. I love them. See that? And let me see, is this now these came out about 3-4 months ago. So yeah, I'm late. But again, I've been so far removed from sneaker releases because I just, I get like that at times where, I go through my phase for a couple of years of, just trying to cop what I like and what I see. And then I go through that phase where it's like, whatever, because I done picked up something else. And what I have been buying is, y'all know, my jewelry. So I can't have too many expensive hobbies, as a stay-at-home mom. But I took out the paper. So these do have a little see-through. See that? On them. But yeah, let's get into this shoe. So again, for those who's been in the sneaker world, y'all probably already seen these months ago. But because I am far removed from buying sneakers, I did not know these were coming out or had came out either. Like I said, so I saw my girl Erica with these and I had to have them. They come in black as well. Again, on the resale market, the resale is almost retail. I've seen them for like $200 on Flight Club. And so go to Canary Yellow, canaryyellow.com. Put in Canary Yellow sneaker store or something like that, and it'll come up. And then when you do that, you'll click on the shoe that you're looking for, because I couldn't navigate the website to where it'll show me what shoes they have or whatever. It was just like a bunch of artwork, and the website was a mess. I really didn't like it, but you have this clear textured swoosh with the Nike Air Force One, all of that on here. You got these this big block with spikes coming out on the side. And then you got, he's been doing this kind of like two lace system on a lot of the stuff that he had coming out with Nike. As you can see, you got the white laces under here, and then this weird lace system over here, and they connect right here. There's another one right there. Same one on there. You got your little patch. Orange patch is sewed down. It's not like a flap like some of his other ones. You got the orange off-white zip tie right here. You got your lace them up, and I like how they put detail. It's just not a plain strap. It looks like it sparkles like iridescent when it hits the light. Not iridescent, but have a little sparkle to it or shine to it when it hits the light. And what I liked about the back right here, this reminds me of, who does remind me of? So this right here, this sole reminds me of Maison Hero. Let me show y'all. So if you can see with Maison Hero, you see it's kind of like he does his soles kind of like a clay mold type of thing. So you see how that is, and then you look at, you know what I'm saying, the Virgil with the sole kind of like, kind of like it's like uneven, wonky, how they, you know, mold it to a certain way. Also, too, it has the air bubble on there right there. I just noticed that. So we're going to put the mace on. You see the hair all the way for right now. So yeah, I like the little detail on the small details on the hood. This on the heel, it has a see-through tab. I like the white. You have the different materials right here. This is like, I don't want to say like a, I don't know, it feels like a suede type nubuck. Maybe it's not, probably even that, like a fuzzy cotton or something like that. Then you got the lace lock on here. I like that, how they put a pop of color into it in the lace lock. That kind of goes with the pop of color on the spikes. And then on the tongue, let's move this closer. On the tongue, you have air. And I just like the white and silver hits. It's the white, silver, gray, and mesh hits that they have going on throughout the sneaker. Very clean. And the inside, I don't know what that is, what it's supposed to be. I don't know. Let's go to the bottom of the shoe. So on the bottom of this shoe, you have this thing right here, this block that goes to this. And you also got the spikes that are up here. Okay, I had to adjust my camera. So you got the spikes that are up here at the front. They spike out, going around the rim of the shoe. And then you have more so just like these slashes right here that are on the sides of the shoe. So I'm glad they didn't fully spike out the whole shoe. But yeah. So this is the Off-White Night Collab Air Force One Mid. This is an 8.5 because I just wanted to make sure that they fit comfortably and that they're not too tight, because I know how Virgil can do, you know, with his shoes, and the sizing be all kinds of off sometimes, especially with his brand of shoes. My gosh, you really got to be careful with those. So let me give y'all another take around on this shoe. Let's give you another close-up of this shoe. And we're going to get on out of here. And I will bring you back on foot. I don't think I'm going to tie it in with you know, with the unboxing video. I just don't feel like all of that, and I'm not even dressed. Still in my pajamas. But yeah, this shoe is so dope. Again, they come in black as well, but Canary Yellow did not have the black. They only had the white pair. My review on the Off-White Air Force One Mid. I know I'm a little late with it, but better late than never. And most of the people that come to my channel are probably not sneakerheads anyways, so it's going to be new to them. But thank y'all, and y'all have a great rest of your week. Hit that thumbs up when you come in. I greatly appreciate it. and peace.